Welcome back. Fatorda MLA Vijay Sardesai has mouthed against conducting Zilla Panchayat elections on party lines. Commenting on CM Parsekar's comment that ZP elections are on party lines to bring stability, he said ZPs never faced instability. BJP has tried to bring instability in ZP with ulterior motives. Vijay was speaking after commencing developmental works at Fatorda.
जिल्हा पंचायतीन जी इनस्टेबिलिटी जाता हे इनस्टेबिलिटी चेक करपा खातीर आपल्यान हे अमेंडमेंट हाडला आनी इलेक्शन्स पार्टी लायन्स करता. पयली वस्त अशी की गोंयांत दोनूय जिल्ल्यांनी इनस्टेबिलिटी केन्नाच नाशिल्ली आनी इनस्टेबिलिटी जर करपाक ट्राय केल्या जाल्यार ती बीजेपीन ट्राय केल्या. आदले मुखेलमंत्र्यान आनी हे मुखेलमंत्र्यान नॉर्थ गोवा जिल्हा परिशदाचो प्रेसिडेंट जो जयेश साळगांवकार आहा ताका वडोवपाक कितलेचदां तांणी ट्राय केल्या आनी तांणी यशस्वी जाले ना. सो इनस्टेबिलिटी म्हणटा ती फट हे लोकशाहीची हत्या, मर्डर ऑफ डेमोक्रेसी आज करपाक हे डिसिजन घेतिल्लें आहा.
Vijay commenced developmental works in Fatorda constituency under G. Suda.
हे एक डॉन बॉस्को इंजिनियरिंग कॉलेजीच्या परिसरान ड्रेन घालप आनी फुटपाथ करप हाजो एक 25 लाखाचो प्रोजेक्ट आज आमी सुरवात करतात. हे जावन रोखडेंच हो ग्राउंड जो आहा हे ग्राउंडाक एक इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर नवी गव्हर्मेंटाची स्कीम आयिल्ली आहा फ्रँसीस म्हणून. हे स्किमीन पयलेंच सँक्शन जें गोंयांत जालां हें हांगा जाल्लें आहा. डॉन बॉस्कोचो ग्राउंड अर्बन डेव्हलपमेंट सुडा डेव्हलप करतले.
Reporter Savio Dice for Prudent.
Didi Kosambi Festival of Ideas will begin from 17th to 21st February at Kala Academy. Inaugural lecture will be delivered by former member of Planning Commission of India, Arun Maira, on shaping our future, one country, one India. Renowned personalities like Alik Padmasi, Professor Anil Kumar Gupta, Dr. Raghuram Rajan and Dr. Radhakrishnan will deliver lectures.
फाटल्या प्लॅनिंग कमिशनाचे मेंबर, वेल नोन इकॉनॉमिस्ट आणि एक्सपर्ट ऑन इंडस्ट्री, ट्रेड एंड कॉमर्स तांचे शेपिंग आवर फ्युचर, वन कंट्री वन डेस्टिनी ह्या विशयाचेर व्याख्यान जातले. दुसरें टॉक आसा तें मिडिया आयकॉन आणि आयडिएशन एक्सपर्ट Alik Padmasi हाचे आयडिएशन द वायल्ड फायर दॅट इज स्वीपिंग द वर्ल्ड ह्या विशया वयले दुसरे व्याख्यान जातले.
Uncommon Wealth, a modern-day Panchatantra, was released on Friday. Writer Datta Naik has stories for children and teenagers with inventions and anecdotes from famous personalities. The book was released by Dr. Maria Aurora Couto. She pitied the poor quality of teaching at the primary level when she recounted the fact that some students of 5th standard are unable to read books of 2nd standard in many states of India.
I am very happy today because my first English book, Uncommon Wealth, a modern day Panchatantra, which is targeted towards children in age group of 8 to 15, teenagers as well as adults, young adults, parents and teachers, is being published today. I have been writing for last 40 years in Konkani and Marathi, but today tragedy of our social life is many students, children, they hardly know Konkani or Marathi, more so Devanagari script. So many parents suggested, teachers suggested that I should write this book in English.
One of the terrible findings of the Pratham does something called the ASER report once in 2 years, I think, about the state of education, primary education in India. And the shocking finding was that students in class 5 cannot read books of class 2. That's exactly what Pratham was saying. And it's across the board in most states. Class 5 students are unable to read books that are meant for class 2. Which shows the poor quality of our teaching.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.